Hello, and thank you for joining me here once again. Um, Today I am doing some autumn yard cleanup. My son-in-law is working a lot, and my daughter is busy raising my grandchildren. So I thought I'd just tackle this alone. Since last autumn, I haven't been able to attend my workouts, the gym as often as I wanted to. I've been dealing with some serious sinus issues, and I believe, according to the doctor, we finally have it under control. So I really need this exercise to hopefully get me on track to attend the gym in a few days or so. And I pray that you are enjoying the changing seasons wherever you are in the world. Although this yearly cleanup can be a little tedious, I really enjoy it. I look forward to playing in leaves every year. It's so wonderful to pull from that childlike spirit whenever we can, isn't it? And now that I have that chore completed, I'm now making some poor man's crab cakes. But before I start that, I'm making the remoulade sauce for those. And chives from the garden. And because I'm a little famished right now and kind of taking some shortcuts, instead of the uh, powdered onions, this recipe usually calls for grated onions, but I believe it'll be fine. Now into the refrigerator this goes for, I would say, about 20 minutes or so. There are so many different types of goodies I wanted to make this week. But I thought with people right now in the United States trying to stretch as much as they possibly can as far as spending and, you know, food preparation and all that. So I decided to make what is called right here a poor man's crab cake. Almost forgot that. And basically, what this is just grated zucchini, panko flour, eggs, some seasoning, and a bit of mayonnaise. And it's just basically staples that we would, find in our home. And zucchinis are so much cheaper than crab meat. And basically, once this is completed, it's a wonderful meal. It has all the necessities that one would need for a nutritious meal. In addition, it does taste like crab cakes. And it has a vegetable, a bit of carbs, and of course you can substitute the regular breadcrumbs and flour for gluten-free versions. Protein from eggs. A bit of fat to keep the bones moving. I really enjoy these on a bed of lettuce, but you can try these with whatever side that you prefer. They really are quite tasty. A simple and nutritious meal for somewhat trying times. Hang in there, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon.